The lucky bamboo plays a significant role in Feng Shui in Chinese culture. It is supposed to bring positive energy into your home or office or into the surroundings wherever the lucky bamboo is placed. People select lucky bamboo plants as gifts to give near and dear ones. Receiving this plant as a gift is supposed to bring good luck.
In Chinese, the lucky bamboo is known as Fu Guizhu. Fu, luck and fortune. Gui, power and honor. Zhu, bamboo.
According to Feng Shui, the positive effect of the lucky bamboo plant differs with the number of lucky bamboo stalks that are bound together. Here is a list of bamboo stalks explained. Lucky log. Lucky log resembles a log with no roots. The lucky log is supposed to bring prosperity and longevity. 2 bamboo stalks. 2 bamboo stalks are supposed to bring in abundance of love and double the luck factor. 3 bamboo stalks. 3 bamboo stalks is very popular as a gift. The combination of 3 stalks is supposed to bring in happiness, long life and career promotions. 4 bamboo stalks. 4 bamboo stalks represents bad luck. 5 bamboo stalks. 5 bamboo stalks attracts positive healthy energy in 5 areas of life such as emotional, intuitive, mental, physical and spiritual. 6 bamboo stalks. 6 bamboo stalks is supposed to bring in opportunities to increase your wealth. 7 bamboo stalks. 7 bamboo stalks is supposed to bring in positive energy to endow a person with good overall health. 8 bamboo stalks. 8 bamboo stalks is supposed to bring in positive energy to increase fertility. 10 bamboo stalks denotes all things good in life. Gifting 10 bamboo stalks shows that you want the person to have a perfect happy life.
If you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.
Hello friends, click subscribe button and also click bell icon.